ஹலோ, குட் மார்னிங். நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? இந்த வீடியோவில் நான் உங்களுக்கு காம்போசிஷன் ஆஃப் ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸ் அதை பற்றி டீச் பண்ண போகிறேன். காம்போசிஷன் ஆஃப் ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸ் இன் மேத்தமெட்டிக்ஸ். காம்போசிஷன் ஆஃப் ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸ் இஸ் an operation that takes two functions f and g and produces a third function h such that h of x is equal to g of f of x. இங்கே a ஒரு நான் எம்ப்டி செட், b ஒரு நான் எம்ப்டி செட், c ஒரு நான் எம்ப்டி செட். மூணு நான் எம்ப்டி செட் இருக்கு. அதில் a function is defined from a to b. a function f is defined. Function f is defined from a to b and a function g is defined from b to c. F is a function from a to b. F is a function from a to b. Then g is a function from b to c. Then h a to c la h another function. H is equal to g of f is a function from a to c. அப்போ f வந்து a to b, g வந்து b to c, அப்ப h வந்து a to c. This is called composition of function. X belongs to a. Xங்கிற ஒரு எலிமெண்ட் a செட்ல பிலாங் ஆகுதுன்னு வச்சுக்கலாம். X is an input. Already சொல்லிருக்கேன், we can consider function as a machine. Input கொண்டு கொடுத்தா we will get different. For different input we will get different outputs. அப்ப x is an input to f is become f of x. X is the input for the function f, therefore it becomes f of x. Then f of x is an input to g. f of x வந்து g க்கு input is input to g become g of f of x. அப்ப இத g of f of x னு சொல்லலாம், g of f of x or g of f of x. இப்போ ஃபங்க்ஷன் f க்கு a வந்து டொமைன் செட், b வந்து கோடொமைன் செட். ஃபங்க்ஷன் g க்கு b வந்து டொமைன் செட், c வந்து கோடொமைன் செட். Now g composite f, இது எப்படி படிக்கலாம்? g composite f or g of f. அப்ப g composite f is equal to g of f of x. Exists if na if and only if. If na என்ன meaning? If and only if. The range of f is, the range of the first function is the subset of the domain of the second function. Second function ஓட domain வந்து g. அப்ப f வந்து g ஓட சப்செட்டா இருந்தாதான் g of f of x exists. g of f of x exists only if the range of f is the subset of the domain of g. Next, f composite g is equal to f of g of x exists if the range of g is the subset of domain of f. See, consider f of x is equal to x square plus 5. Consider f of x is equal to x square plus 5. Then g of x is equal to 3x plus 2. This is f such that r tends to r. f such that real number to real number. G also such that real number to real number. இப்போ வாட் இஸ் எஃப் ஆஃப் ஜி ஆஃப் எக்ஸ்? எஃப் ஆஃப் ஜி ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் அப்படின்னா எஃப் ஆஃப் ஜி ஆஃப் எக்ஸ். இப்போ எஃப் காம்போசிட் எக்ஸிஸ்ட்னா எஃப் காம்போசிட் எக்ஸிஸ்ட் மீன்ஸ் the range of G is the subset of domain F. அப்போ இந்த போத்துமே ரெண்டுமே ரியல் நம்பர் டு ரியல் நம்பர். ஸோ இது பாசிபிள். தென் ஃபார் எஃப் காம்போசிட் G is equal to f of G of x is equal to f of G of x என்ன x square plus y, x square plus 5. இப்போ எஃப்ங்கிற ஃபங்க்ஷனில் ஜி ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் வந்து 3x plus 2, சாரி வாட் இஸ் எஃப் ஆஃப் ஜி ஆஃப் எக்ஸ்? ஜி ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் வந்து 3x plus 2, எஃப் ஆஃப் 3x plus 2. அப்போ வாட் யூ ஹேவ் டு டூ, wherever you got x in f of x, substitute 3x plus 2 is equal to 3x plus 2 the whole square plus 3x plus 2 the whole square per y. இப்போ a plus b the whole square apply பண்ண 9x square plus 2ab 12x plus 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus is equal to 9x square plus 12x square plus 9 is the part. Now what is g of x? G of f. G of f is equal to g of f of x is equal to g of, what is your f of x? F of x equal to x square plus 5. X square plus 5. Appa wherever you got g of x, in place of x, replace x as x square plus 5 is equal to 3 into, in place of x, replace x square plus 5. 3 into x square plus 5 plus 2 is equal to 3x square plus 15 plus 2. Further simplification, 3x square plus 15 plus 2, 17. 15 plus 2, 17. That is the example for the F composite G composite F. Example 15. Let F such that 2, 3, 4, 5 implies 3, 4, 5, 9. Function F function in the A in the set in the setting map. The second function G is mapped with this element to this element. Two function கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. And function is defined as f of 2 is equal to 3, f of 3 is equal to 4, f of 4 equal to f of 5 equal to 5. Then g of 3 equal to g of 4 equal to 7 and g of 5 equal to g of 9 equal to 11. Find G composite. இப்போ let A set, assume A set as first set 2, 3, 4, 5 and B set 3, 4, 5, 9 and C set 7, 11, 15. A to B is function M. B to C is function G. Now f of 2 equal to 3. F of 2 3. F of 3 4. F of 4 f of 5 5. 5 4 5 மேப் ஆகும். அப்புறம் g of 3 g of 4 7. G of 3 g of 4 7. அப்புறம் g of 5 g of 9 11. இப்போ என்ன பண்ணுறது, G composite F கேட்குறாங்க. அப்போ G composite G G composite f of 2, G composite f of 3, G composite f of 4, G composite f of 5. So G composite f of 2 is equal to G of f of 2. G of f of 2. F of 2 is 3. Upper G of 3. G of 3. What is G of 3? G of 3 is 7. G of 3 is 7. Next thing, G composite F of 3 equal to G of F of 3. What is G of F of 3 is 4. Is equal to G of 4. What is G of 4? G of 4 is 7. G of 4 also 7. Next thing, G composite F of 4 is equal to G of F of 4. What is F of 4? F of 4 is 5 is equal to G of 5. What is G of 5? G of 5 is 11. Then last element, G of G composite 5, F of 5 equal to G of F of 5. What is F of 5? F of 5 is 5. 5. G of 5. What is G of 5? 11. Again same 11. G of 5 is 11. Therefore, G composite F2 is 7. G composite F3 is 7. G composite F4 is 11. G composite F5 is 11. Exercise 1.3, question number 1. Let F such that set 1, 3, 4 to set 1, 2, 5 and another function G such that 1, 2, 5 to 1, 3 is given by F function is given by order per 1, 2, order per 3, 5, order per 4, 1 and G function is given by order per 1, 3, order per 2, 3, order per 5, 1. Then write down G composite here. See, assume this function is A, this set is A, this set is B, and the set is C. Therefore, F is a function from A to B. G is a function from B to C. B to C. Therefore, we have to find G composite F. G composite F is A to C. A to C. So write set A. Set A, set B, set C. Set A 1, 3, 4. Set B 1, 2, 5. Set C 1, 3. F is a function from A to B. F is a function from A to B. From B to C, G is the function. G is a function. According to 1 is mapped to 1, 2. 1 is mapped to 2. 3 is mapped to 5. 3 is mapped to 5. Then 4 is mapped to 1. In G function, 1 is mapped to 1. 1, 3. 1 is mapped to 1, 3. 1 is mapped to 1. 3. 1 is mapped to 3. Then 2 is mapped to 3. 5 is mapped to 1. 5 to mapped to 1. Now we have to find G composite F of 1, G composite F of 3, G composite F of 4. G composite F of 1. G composite F of 1 equal to G of F of 1. G of F of 1 is equal to G of, what is F of 1? F of 1 is 2. Therefore G of 2. G of 2. What is G of 2? 2 bar to 3. Then G composite F of 3 is equal to G of F of 3. What is F of 3? 3 is bar to 5. But G of 5. What is G of 5? 5 is bar to 1. Is 1. So last element G composite F of 4 is equal to G of F of 4. What is G of 4 mapped to 1? Is equal to G of 1. G of 1. G of 1 is 3. So G composite F of 1 is 3. G composite F of 3 is 1. G composite F of 4 is plus G composite F is equal to 1, 3 order per 3, 1 and order per 4, 2. This is G composite F. Exercise 1.3, question number 2. Let F, G and H be functions from real number to real number. Show that F plus G composite H is equal to F composite H plus G composite H. That is the first one. Second one, F into G composite H. This is F into, this is into F into G composite H is equal to F composite H into G composite H. How to prove that? Here all the functions are F is from real to real, G is from real to real, and H is also from real to real. F is function real to real. G also from real to real. H is also all the three functions are real to real. So all the three functions from real to real, F composite is defined, G composite H is also defined. Both the functions are defined. Therefore, first F composite F plus G composite H. F plus G composite H is equal to, if we want to remove the composite, we can put H of X. F plus G into H of X. F plus G into H of X. This H of X you can distribute here. Function, this composition of function is distributive. Therefore, F of H of X plus G of H of X ரெண்டு ஃபங்க்ஷனுக்கு டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட் பண்ணியாச்சு. அப்போ இது எப்படி எழுதலாம்? F composite H of X plus இதை G composite H of X. இப்போ ரெண்டுக்கும் X காமனாக வெளியே எடுத்துடலாம். F composite H plus G composite H of X is equal to nothing but F composite H plus G composite H. Therefore, this is F plus G composite H is equal to F composite H plus G composite H. F composite plus G composite. Second one. F into G composite H. Composite H is equal to F into G. இப்போ காம்போசிட்னா H of X into H of X. Again distribute பண்ணுவோம். என்ன வரும்? F of H of X. F of H of X into G of H of X. F of H of X into G of H of X. இது வந்து என்ன வரும்? F composite H of X into G composite H of X. We take common, H common, F composite H into G composite H of X. Then that is nothing but F composite H into G composite H. Therefore, F into G composite H is equal to F composite H into G composite H. Exercise 1.3, question number 3. Find G composite F and F composite G if first one F of X is equal to modulus X and G of X is equal to modulus of pi X minus 2. Second one, F of X is equal to X cube, G of X is equal to X to the power 1 by 3. You have to find G composite H and F composite G. First subdivision, 1. F of X equal to modulus X. G of X is equal to modulus of X minus 2. First we will find G composite F. G composite F is equal to G of F of X. G of F of X. So G of F of X is G of F of X. Whatever F of X is modulus. Modulus. அப்போ ஜிங்கிற ஃபங்க்ஷன் வந்து இதே இதில் எக்ஸ் எங்கென்னலாம் இருக்கோ அந்த இடத்துல மாடுலஸ் போடும் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு மாடுலஸ் 5. இப்போ என்ன பண்ண இந்த எக்ஸுக்கு பதிலாக இதை தான் சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணோம் 5 மாடுலஸ் எக்ஸ் மைனஸ் 2. திஸ் இஸ் மை G composite F. இப்போ F composite G. F composite G is equal to F of G of X. இப்போ F of இப்போ G of X என்ன? G of X is pi x minus 2. F of modulus of pi x minus 2. இப்போ என்ன பண்ணோம் எஃப்ல எப்போ வந்து மாலஸ் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் இந்த மாலஸ் ஆஃப் எக்ஸில் இந்த எக்ஸுக்கு பதிலாக மாலஸ் ஆஃப் பை எக்ஸ் மைனஸ் 2. அப்போ ஆல்ரெடி ஒரு மாடுலஸ் இருக்குது, இங்கே ஒரு மாடுலஸ் இருக்குது, இது ஒரு மாடுலஸ். அப்போ மாடுலஸ் ஆஃப் பை எக்ஸ் மைனஸ் 2. அப்போ எகைன் மாடுலஸ் ஆஃப் பை எக்ஸ் மைனஸ் 2 இஸ் எகைன் பை எக்ஸ் மைனஸ் 2. இந்த மாடுலஸாக இருக்கும், இந்த மாடுலஸ் போயிடும். அப்போ இந்த மாடுலஸ் இருக்கும், மாடுலஸ் ஆஃப் பை எக்ஸ் modulus of pi x minus 2. This is first case. Second question. F of x is equal to 8x cube. G of x is equal to x power 1 by 3. X power 1 by 3. First we will find G composite F. G composite is equal to G of f of x. G of f of x is equal to G of, what is your f of x? F of x is 8x cubed. G of 8x cubed. If in place of x, write 8x cubed is equal to 8x cubed, the whole power 1 by 3. The power 1 by 3. In the 8 I will write 2 cube. Power 2 cube into x cube to the power 1 by 3. Now 2 cube is 8. This is 2 power 3 into 1 by 3 into x cube into 1 by 3. About 3 into 1 by 3, 2. 3 into 1 by 3, 2. 3, 3 cancel. 2 power 1 is 2. Remember x cube to the power 1 by 3, 3, 3 cancel. 3x. That is G composite F is 2x. Let's take F composite G. F composite G is equal to F of G of x. F of G of x. Now F of, what is G of x? X power 1, x to the power 1 by 3 is equal to, if I F in place of 8x cube, in the 8x cube, in the x cube, you have to substitute x power 1 by 3. Up 8 x cube, up x power 1 by 3, the whole cube. X power 1 by 3, the whole cube. 8 க்கு cube வராது. இப்போ is equal to 3 3 cancel upper 8x. This is 8x. So G composite F is 2x, F composite G is 8x. Exercise 1.3, question number 4. If f of x is equal to 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4, comma, x is not equal to 2 by 3, show that f composite of f of x is equal to x. For all x is not equal to 2 by 3, what is the inverse of x? For function but x is not equal to 2 by 3. Here what will happen? X is equal to 2 by 3. If x is equal to 2 by 3 now, so 4x plus 3 into denominator 6 into 2 by 3 minus 4. Up and go, the 3s are 2s are 2 into 2 4. 4 minus 4 0. Up and infinity arrow. X is not equal to 2 by 3. X is not equal to 2 by 3. So if x is 2 by 3 denominator infinity arrow. Therefore the given condition is x is equal to not equal to 2 by 3. We have to prove that f composite f of x is equal to x. F of x is 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4. 6x minus 4. F composite f of x is equal to f composite f of x. F composite f of x is f composite f of x is equal to, if you know, if 4 into if f of x is f of x is 4 into 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4. Apply in the plus 3. Right. By 6 into, again same in the x equal 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4 minus 4. It was simplified. If we take LCM, LCM is 4x 6x minus 4. So multiply பண்ணா 4 into 4x 16x. 4 into plus 3 12. இப்போ plus 3 என்னது by 1. அப்போ 3 ஆல multiply பண்ணும் 18x plus 18x. 3 into minus 4 minus 12. For denominator also. Denominator LCM also 6x minus 4. 6 into 4x 24x. 6 into plus 3 18 minus. Then 4 into 6x 24x. Minus 4 into minus 4 plus 16. Then simplify. First we can cancel both the denominators. Denominator cancel பண்ணி numerator la what is answer? This is 16x plus 18x 34x. This is plus 12 minus 12 cancel. Then 24x plus 24x minus 24x cancel. Okay, we got 34 is equal to x. Is equal to x. Therefore, f composite f of x is you put that x. So it is put x. Then we go to find the inverse of x. To find or inverse of f. Inverse of f equate f of x is equal to y. F of x the f of x y க்கு equate பண்ணும். Therefore y is equal to 6x plus 3 replace by 4x plus 3 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4. இப்போ cross multiply பண்ணி find x in terms of y. 6x minus 4 into y equal to 4x plus 3. Remove the bracket. 6xy minus 4y equal to 4x plus 3. All y and number one side. Okay? 6xy minus 4x is equal to 4y plus 3. This minus 4y inga poi plus 4y. In the plus 4x inga poi minus 4. Take x common. X into 6y minus 4 equal to 4y plus 3. Therefore x is equal to 4y plus 3 divided by 6y minus 4. 6y minus 4. Therefore, if we keep this function, this g of x. G of x is equal to g of y. This is the function of y. G of y is equal to 4y plus 3 by 6y minus 4. So what is g of x? Replace y as x. G of x is equal to 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4. Therefore, f in the function f inverse is f inverse of f is g of x. G of x is equal to 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4. See here. F is 4x plus 3 by x, 6x minus 4. Here also 4x plus 3 by x minus 6x minus 4. Therefore, F inverse is equal to F only. Therefore, F inverse is equal to F only. Exercise 1.3, question number 5. State with reasons the following functions have inverse. 3 functions are given. First one, f such that 1, 2, 3, 4 to 10 with function order per 1, 10, order per 2, 10, order per 3, 10 and order per 4, 10. In the function we have to check whether inverse exists or not exists. Second function G such that 5, 6, 7, 8 to set 1, 2, 3, 4 with G as order per 5, 4, 6, 3, 7, 4 and 8, 2. The third function H from 2, 3, 4, 5 to 7, 9, 11, 13 with H is equal to order per 2, 7, 3, 9, 4, 11 and 5, 13. Here three different functions are given. You have to say whether these functions inverse exist or not exist. The rule is if inverse exists only when f is bijective. If a function is a bijective function, that function has inverse exists. What is a bijective function? It is 1, 1 as well as on 2. You have to check all the three functions whether it is a bijective function. If it is a bijective function, that is 1, 1 and R2 inverse exists. Otherwise, inverse not exist. Consider the function subdivision 1. Here, draw the error diagram. Consider this set is A and this set is B. Set B contains only one element. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. According to the function, 1 is mapped with the 10, 2 is mapped with the 10, 3 is mapped with the 10, 4 is mapped with the 10. Now, all the elements in the domain are mapped with a single element in the codomain. All the elements in the domain is mapped with a single element in the codomain. F is a function from A to B. Since all elements in the domain are mapped with unique element in codomain. Therefore, it is not a one-one function, not a one-one function, but is many one function. Many one function. But not a one-one function means this f is not a bijective function. Since it is not a bijective function, inverse does not exist. Therefore, f inverse does not exist. F inverse does not exist. Come to the second case. G. Draw the error diagram. Set A to set B, the function is G. The function G. Say G, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8 in the domain set. What is the codomain set? 1, 2, 3, 4. According to the function, 5 is mapped to 4. 5 is mapped to 4. 6 is mapped to 3. 6 is mapped to 3. 7 is mapped to 4. 7 also mapped to 4. 8 is mapped to 2. One element in the codomain is not mapped, but even though it is a function, is it a one-one function? Every different element in the domain is not mapped with a different element in the codomain, because 5 and 7 are mapped with 4. It is not a one-one function. Is it on 2? Because here the range is 2, 3, 4. The codomain is 1, 2, 3, 4. Since range is not equal to codomain, it is not on 2. So, this function is G is neither 1 1, neither 1 1 nor onto, not neither 1 1 nor onto. Therefore, hence it is not bijective. It is not bijective. Therefore, G inverse does not exist. Therefore, G inverse does not exist. Why does not exist? It is not a bijective. Why it is not a bijective? It is neither 1 1 nor onto. Okay. Next one, third one. I can draw the arrow. Set A, set B, A to B, the function is which? What? 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 7, 9, 11, 13. 7, 9, 11, 13. According to the function, 2 is mapped to 7. 2 is mapped to 7. 3 is mapped to 9. Then 4 is mapped to 11. Then 5 is mapped to 13. See, every different element in the code domain is mapped with the different element in the codomain. Therefore, it is one function. What is the range? 7, 9, 11, 13. What is the codomain? 7, 9, 11, 13. Since codomain equal to range, it is onto. It is 1, 1 as well as onto. Hence, it is bijective. This function H has inverse because it is both 1, 1 and onto, hence bijective. Different elements in domain is mapped with the different elements in codomain, and range is equal to codomain. Range is equal to codomain. Therefore, H is 1, 1, 1 and onto. Therefore, it is bijective. Therefore, H inverse exists. H inverse exists. Now we have to find it. What are the H inverse functions order pair? What is the H inverse function? Order pair of H inverse function is just you have to multiply. Just you have to write ulta. 7, 2, 7, 2, 9, 3, 11, 4 and 13, 4. That is 13, 4. Therefore, F inverse. Exercise 1.3, question number 6. Show that function such that closed interval -1, 1, two real number given by f of x is equal to x by x plus 2 is 1, 1. Find the inverse of the function f such that closed interval -1 to 1 to range of f. So we have to check the given function is 1, 1 or onto. What is the domain? Domain is closed interval -1 to 1. -1 and +1 included, and all the values in between -1 and +1 included. Let for proving 1, 1, we have to assume f of x1 equal to x2, f of x1 equal to f of x2, and we have to prove x1 equal to x2. Let x1, x2 belongs to closed interval -1, 1. x1, x2 belongs to closed interval -1, 1. What is assume? Let f of x1 equal to f of x2, x1 by x1 plus 2 equal to x2 by x2 plus 2. x2 plus 2. Now cross multiply. x1 into x2 plus 2 equal to x2 into x1 plus 2. Remove the bracket. x1 into x2 plus 2x1 equal to x2 into x1 plus 2x2. See, here also x1 x2 plus, here also x2 x1 is also equal to x1 x2, we can cancel. 2x1 equal to 2x2, cancelling 2 on both sides, x1 equal to x2. We have assumed that f of x1 equal to f of x2, we have proved that x1 equal to x2, therefore f is 1 1. Then we have to check whether onto. For onto, f of x is equal to y. f of x is equal to y belongs to R. Y belongs to R. After replay, equate f of x is equal to y. x plus 2 equal to y. Find x in terms of y. Cross multiply. X plus 2 into y equal to x. xy plus 2y equal to x. Bring this x to the left hand side. xy minus x is equal to minus 2y. X common. X into y minus 1 equal to minus 2y. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2y by y minus 1. X is equal to minus 2y divided by, from here I am taking minus sign outside, minus of 1 minus y. If you remove the bracket, minus 1 plus y is so y minus 1, we can write minus of 1 minus y. Minus. Therefore, x is equal to 2y by 1 minus y belongs to R. Therefore, f is an onto function. f is 1 1 and f is onto, hence it is bijective. Therefore, f is an invertible function. What is an invertible function? Inverse exists. Therefore, f inverse of x is equal to, wherever you got y, replace x. 2x by 1 minus x, x not equal to 1. X is not equal to 1. Exercise 1.3, question number 7. Consider the function f such that real number to real number given by f of x is equal to 4x plus 3. Show that f is invertible. Find the inverse of f. To show that it is invertible, we have to show that this function f is a bijective function. For a bijective function, we have to show that f is 1 1 as well as onto. The given domain set is a real number, codomain set also real number. To prove 1 1, we have to assume f of x1 equal to f of x2, and we have to prove that x1 equal to x2. That x1 comma x2 belongs to R. x1 comma x2 belongs to R. Let f of x1 equal to f of x2. 4x1 plus 3 equal to 4x2 plus 3. We can cancel 3 on both sides. 4x1 equal to 4x2. We can cancel 4 on both sides. Therefore, x1 equal to x2. x1 equal to x2, therefore f is 1 1. F is 1 1. 4 on 2. F of x is equal to y belongs to R. F of x is equal to y belongs to R. Replace f of x is equal to y. 4x plus 3 equal to y. Then find x in terms of y. 4x is equal to y minus 3. X is equal to y minus 3 by 4. X is equal to y minus 3 by 4. It is also belongs to R. Now find what is f of x. If f of x is equal to y means we can find it, we can show that it is also. What is f of x? F of x is equal to f of y minus 3 by 4 is equal to 4 into y minus 3 by 4 plus 3 plus 3. Now we can cancel 4 is equal to y minus 3 plus 3 cancel is equal to, then f of x is equal to y. Therefore f is on 2. F is 1 1, f is on 2, therefore f is invertible function also. Therefore f is invertible. F is invertible. Then f inverse x. F inverse of x is equal to, in this replace y as x, x minus 3 by 4 belongs to R.